Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPAQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Price all over the place, big volume. And I don't mean to state the obvious here, but I am anyways, just to establish some context. But overall, a very nice movement from the lows. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point, it was literally all the way down there, and then it was able to close all the way back up there. Now, don't get me wrong. There's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But my point here is that was a nice, respectable move, and at least begs the question, and it's a valid question to be asking, all right, yeah, nice move, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce knee-jerk reaction? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $11.90. Now, why is that area important? And I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say the price comes down here at $11.90, behaves in that manner, then goes back down. What would you then have at that point in time? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would have the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strong, or anything like that. So in regards to that, $11.90 is going to be that area that ideally, yeah, you do want to see hold. Now, in the event the price does continue on upwards, where are some of these areas of resistance at? Well, the first level here in the very near term, which I think the price is knocking on the door of, yeah, very close, assuming there's no gap downs. But right up here at $12.40. And then if the price can push up through there, the next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on would be that purple line, the 50 period simple moving average, which on my chart right now, currently valued at the $13, and we'll call it the 10-cent mark. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, no doubt about it. Nice bounce today. Not just all about can the price start to show signs of progress. And again, the sign of progress will be that $11.90 mark. But let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.